My mom says she sold all your baseball tickets.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, go upstairs. So we fill up the whole bottom with the toothpaste.
We're gonna start it.
And then we gotta mix it in with the shampoo. I don't care whose toothpaste this is, bro. My mom gonna see it. She be like, "Why you use my toothpaste?" I'm like, "I'm sorry, Mom. I'll buy you some." Well, this ain't hers, but still go buy her some. Yo, this ain't enough. Ugh. I'll be right back. I'm about to get some more of this kind of toothpaste.
Bro.
I told you, put it sideways.
And there you go, that one.
I'm gonna go get some more toothpaste.
Heck yeah. This is not gonna be enough, guys. Look, you. Guys, there's this kid. I seen him a couple days ago. He's eating toothpaste. It's nasty. Nasty. It was just the disgusting thing I ever seen. But you know, I'm about to be doing this.
Here we go.
Big one? Yeah. It's the same one?
We got like 10 tube of toothpaste. Damn. We don't even use this toothpaste. I bought this toothpaste last. I was gonna make a YouTube video, but I messed it up. And I didn't put it on YouTube.
Oh, blue. Real blue.
That's what
You dumb. Yeah.
How? Am I wrong?
No.
Yeah. No. I can't wait to actually like have money and be able to do this stuff, you know?
Yeah,
so I
bro.
can buy it.
So
So
yeah, me too, bro.
I might be getting a job. I was about to say new job. Actually, yeah, kind of a new job because I was kind of just working with people like my family. But I'm gonna be getting a new job, I guess. I'm gonna be working at Waldemere.
Same.
So here what it look like. If you don't know what Waldemere is, it's an amusement park. Look it up. See, that's how much you want to fill it up with. I bought this toothpaste right here a long time ago. I tried to make this video. Dang, dude. We need that much.